Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS Free Tier alerts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AWS Management Console. Log in to your AWS account with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type CloudWatch in the search bar and select CloudWatch from the drop-down menu. In the CloudWatch dashboard, look for the Alarms section on the left sidebar. Click on Alarms to access the Alarms Management page. Now, click on the Create Alarm button. You will be prompted to choose a metric. Click on Select Metric. In the metrics list, search for billing to find billing-related metrics. Select Billing and click Select Metrics. Choose the metric for your free tier usage, such as estimated charges. Once selected, click on the Select Metric button at the bottom right. Fill in the alarm details like the name and description as desired. Set the conditions for the alarm according to your preferences. You can specify the threshold for when you want the alert to trigger. Next, you'll need to select a notification action. Choose Send a notification to an SNS topic if you want to receive emails or messages. If you don't have an SNS topic, click on Create a new SNS topic. Name your new SNS topic and add your email address for notifications. Make sure to confirm your subscription via the email you receive. After setting up the notification, click on Create Alarm. Your alarm for AWS Free Tier alerts is now set up. You will receive notifications based on the conditions you have specified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.